Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Google Antigravity on your computer. So if you already have Google Antigravity installed, but you want to make sure you are using the newest version, this video will help you do that step by step. This is useful because updates can fix problems, add new features, and make the app work better. So instead of using an old version and running into issues, you can update it and keep everything fresh. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, go ahead and open Google Antigravity on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your Start menu, your Apps folder, or wherever you normally open it from. Once it opens, wait for the app to fully load. Do not click too fast right away because sometimes the app needs a few seconds to check your account, your settings, and the current version you are using. If Google Antigravity shows a message saying there is a new update available, then you can follow that message. Usually, you will see a button that says something like Update, Restart, or Download Update. Now, if you do not see any update message, you can check it manually. Look at the top menu of the app. On most computers, you should see menu options near the top. Try looking for something like Help, Settings, or About. Click that area, and then look for an option that says Check for Updates, About Google Antigravity, or Update. If you see Check for Updates, click it. The app will now check if a newer version is available. If it says you are already using the latest version, then you do not need to do anything else. That means your app is already updated. Step 3. Download the newest version if needed. If the update button doesn't work, or if you cannot find the update option inside the app, you can update it from the official website. Open your browser and search for Google Antigravity. Then go to the official Google Antigravity website. Once you're on the website, find the Download button. Choose the version for your computer, like Windows, Mac, or Linux. Download the installer, then open the file after it finishes downloading. Follow the steps on the screen. In most cases, it will replace the old version with the new one while keeping your settings. If the installer doesn't open, try downloading it again because the first download may not have finished properly. And if you still have problems, remove the old version and install the newest version again from the official Google Antigravity website. Just make sure you are downloading it from the real Google Antigravity website, not a random website. And that's how to update Google Antigravity. Now you know how to check for updates inside the app, download the newest version, restart the app, and fix common update problems. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.